Hello friends, so today we'll start up with this particular thing that is termed as antigen. Okay, so what is an antigen? Antigen is any foreign substance, okay, it is any foreign substance which goes into the body and induces antibodies. Okay, so this is what is an antigen is any foreign substance which goes into the body and induces what? Antibodies. And the recent our foreign substance which you all know is what? Coronavirus. That particular one goes inside the body and induces what? Antibodies. But important is under optimum conditions. Okay, and what is that optimum conditions? Like the proper temperature, proper pH. So these all things are mandatory to be a proper antibody production. Okay. Besides this, we should know that what is an hapten. Okay. Hapten is incomplete antigen. Okay. What is an hapten? Hapten is incomplete antigen, and this incomplete antigen needs a carrier protein to be immunogenic. Okay, this particular one needs a carrier protein to be immunogenic, means it will induce antibodies only when the carrier protein is added to that, and that is what is termed as what? Hapten. Okay, so this also needs to be remembered. Other than this, an important aspect is that which all factors are there, okay, which all factors are there which determines the antigenicity. Okay, what all factors are there which determines the antigenicity or immunogenicity, whatever you call it. The first thing is the nature of that immunogen. Okay, the nature of that particular substance, it is made up of which particular thing. As you know that the proteins are the best antigens, then comes the carbohydrate, then comes the lipids, and the worst antigens are nucleic acid. Okay, so proteins are the best antigen, then the carbohydrates, then the lipids, and the last one are what? Nucleic acid. And can you tell me a disease in which nucleic acid produces antibodies? The name is SLE. And if you remember up anti-double stranded DNA and all, they all are produced against this particular nuclear stuff. Okay, so nature of substance is important. Second one is more the molecular weight and valency, more it is immunogenic. Okay, more the molecular weight and valency, more it is immunogenic. The third important thing in this particular one is that how does our tissue enzyme response is there. Okay, what is the tissue enzyme response of everybody? Means everybody is having its own tissue enzyme response. That also determines the antigenicity. And the fourth important point is the foreignness. Okay, the foreignness. How much foreign this particular antigen it is, means if the species is changed, the foreignness is directly proportional to what? Immunogenicity. Okay, means more antibodies will be produced up, but the problem is along with this foreignness, hypersensitivity also comes. Okay, so foreignness is good, but the problem is hypersensitivity. Immunogenicity is definitely directly proportional to what? The foreignness. So basically 4 points are there. The first one is the nature of substance, what it is made up of: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, or nucleic acid. The worst antigens are nucleic, the best is protein. More molecular weight and valency, more it is immunogenic. Foreignness depends directly proportional to immunogenicity, and everybody tissue enzyme response differs. That's why in some the antibodies produce less, in some more. Okay, So these are the various factors which determines the antigenicity, or you can say immunogenicity stuff. Thank you.